Hi there, this is Wendy, and thanks for joining me. This video is part of the Christmas in July video hop featuring Christmas-themed cards and projects created by a fun group of crafters organized by Monica Taylor. There are some fabulous giveaways, so be sure to watch and comment on each video for your chance to win. Be sure to leave your comments by July 31st. Prizes will be announced August 5th on the Taylor Made Cards For You blog. A link to the next video in the hop is in the description box below the video, as well as a link to Monica's blog with all the details. I've made a set of 3 Christmas cards using Club Scrap's Holiday Mail card kit, as well as some retro Santa digital images from Taylor Made Cards For You. Links to all available supplies will be listed in the description box below. Now, Club Scrap's monthly card kits include supplies to easily create 12 handmade greeting cards, as well as optional add-ons like this coordinating set of unmounted stamps. And you'll also get tags, fibers, envelopes, embellishments like these little metal snowflakes, some pre-cut card panels, card bases, and lots of cut-apart greetings to decorate with. And there's also a free set of downloadable instructions with cutting and assembly details to put it all together. And here are the retro Santa images that I've cut using the Silhouette Cameo to use as embellishments. Now for my first card, I used the sketch from the free instructions, but I'll make a few changes. I'm going to use the little postage stamp collage image, and I'm going to make my own pattern paper. I'm using a STAMP-A-MA-JIG and an acrylic block to create the pattern with Club Scrap Sapphire ink. And I like to add some ink to the edges for a finished look, and it also hides any stamping imperfections. Now, Club Scrap thought of everything. They even included a mailbox flag in the cut-apart tag sheet. You just trim, score it in half, and fold. And I added some glue to hold it together. I always like to add a little bit of sparkle or shine to my card, so stickles is usually a favorite. I love that little bit of sparkle. And my first card is finished. Card number 2, I'm going to use another stamp from the set. It's the Vintage Mailbox. And I'm going to make this card a simple card. I'm just going to have that be my focal image. And I'm going to add some little bit of inking. I had a hard time with that bow, but it sure turned out to be a really pretty card. Now, my last card is going to be a simple card as well. I'm going to use another stamp image, a sentiment image from that stamp set, and I'm going to use an old embossing folder that I've had forever, but I like the vintage look of it, and I think it's going to look great with this card. And that completes my last card. I hope you had fun and are inspired to whip up some Christmas cards of your own. Please be sure to leave a comment below for a chance to win a $25 gift certificate to shop at Club Scrap. Don't forget that there are other prizes to be won on the videos in the hop, so leave your comments there too. And thanks so much for watching.